Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making Origami 3D Christmas tree. This is a modular origami. Each layer of the tree requires 5 modules. To create the base of the tree, I'll be cutting the origami sheet into 4 equal parts. We need 5 squares to create this. And to create the upper portion, I'll be cutting 3 centimeters from the side, and then I'll be cutting the square into 4 equal parts, so that I'll be having 6 centimeter each square. For the demonstration purpose, I'll be using 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper. Keeping the white side on the top, I'll be starting with the cross crease. Bring the side to the center crease. Then make a crease until this point. This will help us to get neat end product without any extra crease lines. Repeat the same thing from the bottom side too. Now we will get a point here. Bring this tip to this point and make a crease. Repeat all these steps on the other side too. Now all the pre-creasing is done. Collapse the model as shown. This is called as rabbit ear fold. Now turn the model and fold on this crease line by aligning these two tips. This is called as fish base. Fold the model into half horizontally. You can see two pockets like this. One module is done. We need 5 such modules to create one layer of the tree. Let's assemble the modules. Take one module and take the second module and keep the half of the second module in the second pocket of the first module. Fold the triangle inside on the same crease line to lock 2 layers together. Repeat the step for all the modules. Finish the last module by tucking it inside the first module. One layer of the tree is done. You can take smaller squares to do the upper layer of the tree. I have taken 6 cm square to create the upper layer. You can see a V shape here. Bring the tip in between the V shape and place the upper module. I have made one more layer of the tree using 3.5 cm square. To decorate the tree, you can add a small star. Christmas tree is done. You can display it as 3-layer tree or 2-layer tree. Thank you for watching.